Do you need everything to be unique? Do ordinary office supplies put you to sleep? Check out this pineapple notepad, popcorn bookmark, donut eraser, and other edible mini ideas in our new video. For the first craft, take an eraser and a box cutter. Cut out a square. Draw a circle and mark the center with a ballpoint pen. Cut off the edges. Round the corners by rubbing the eraser on the paper. Next, push a hole through the middle with a toothpick. Apply chocolate glaze to the surface with a brown paint. And make cute cream smears with white paint. Surprisingly, this appetizing little donut can do away with rogue pencil marks. This eraser is definitely unique. You can make a few more donuts and give them to your friends. And now you need to print out a mini Pringles label and a marker. Outline the size of the label on the marker. Cut this part with a box cutter. Fill the marker with glue. Don't forget to put a cap on it so none spills. Glue the label on. Done! You can try this baby at work. With a mini glue like this, you can glue even the smallest pieces of paper. So awesome! For the next life hack, take the ink rod out of a pen. Cut off 1/3 of it with a box cutter. Carefully glue the cut closed. Take fast-drying clay. Roll out 2 colors of clay into thin ropes of the same length. Twist them in a knot. Start to twist them into a circle like this. Make 2 circles like that. Insert the rod between them. Decorate with a miniature bow. Now you can use it. A lollipop pen is perfect for sweet little notes. It looks so tasty. For the next idea, draw a banana pattern on a piece of yellow foam paper. Cut out 3 parts and carefully glue them together. Cut the zipper to be the size of the pencil case. Glue the edges securely. Color them with a green marker. This banana pencil is a cute accessory and the perfect place to store your mini school supplies. It's so tiny! For this life hack, you need a sheet of yellow paper. Fold it in half and smooth it. Fold it in half again. Now unfold it and then do the same but crosswise. Unfold the sheet to get 8 identical sections. Bend the sheet along the line side and cut it like this. Now cut the internal sections along the fold lines. Unfold and gently bend the edges of each window. Turn the sheet over. Bend the upper and lower parts to the middle. Fold in half. Connect the 2 opposite edges of the resulting strip like this. Tuck the paper loops in one direction. Draw the outlines of a pineapple on the resulting mini book with a pencil. Cut off the excess and get an oval notepad. Attach your little book to a piece of paper and go over it. Glue the cover. Draw the leaves on a green sheet. Glue them to the workpiece. Finish the pattern with a felt tip pen. Highlight the cells with a pencil. Look, it turned out to be a real pineapple notebook. It might be small, but it can still be used for important notes. For the next craft, take a square sheet, a ruler, and a pencil. Draw a trapezoid on the sheet. Cut it out. Cut pink and white pieces of cardboard with glitter into thin strips. Paste them on the trapezoid. Cut off the excess. Attach the popcorn label. Cut a piece of foam rubber into small squares. Use tweezers to hold it over a lit candle and carefully melt the edges. Tint the popcorn yellow. Hot glue the popcorn to the cup. What an unusual mini bookmark! With such a colorful piece, you will never lose your place. And now take a pill case and paint it brown. Outline the contour on colored cardboard and cut it out. Attach the cardboard to the blister using decorative Scotch tape. Apply brown self-hardening clay onto the cardboard. Make a square markup. Cover the chocolate with a brown lacquer. Print the logo and glue it to a piece of foil. Fasten it to the chocolate. Fill the cells with paints. The result is a miniature paint box that looks just like a chocolate bar. With just a little paint, you can make a masterpiece. That's a great addition to your set of mini office supplies. And now take the bottom of an old tube of lipstick. Paint the inside walls of the cap brown. Fasten a Nutella label. Paint the neck with white paint. The result is a unique and tasty little pencil holder. It will be so convenient to store your tiny school supplies in it. Next, take 2 plastic caps. Cover them with a thin layer of self-hardening clay. Connect them using Scotch tape like this. The result is a closing box. Decorate it with artificial flowers. Take some more clay and roll it into a knot. Fasten it along the edge of the top cover. Make some recesses with a wooden stick. Looks delicious, right? A cake organizer turned out so small and airy, but everything fits easily in it. And for this idea, take a plastic pipette, cut off the tip and insert the slate pencil into it. Attach it with hot glue. Pour glitter inside. Seal the edge with glue. Form such a figure out of modeling clay. Insert the pencil in it. Make strips with the box cutter. Decorate the cake with a clay spiral and decorate it with glitter. Make the second pencil of a different color. Just make sure that your friend doesn't try to eat it. What a yummy pair! And now you need a small notebook and 2 printed Skittles wrappers. Glue the labels onto both sides of the notebook. Cut along the lines. With the help of the hot glue gun, add some volume to the sweets in the picture. Paint them with acrylic paints and decorate with the original logo. It seems that this mini notebook has Skittles pox. Don't worry, it's not contagious. And now take an empty matchbox. Make a cutout like this. Cut off one of the sides of the box. Also make a cutout on the smaller side. Glue a white sheet at the bottom. Combine the elements of the design. Glue the cornflakes labels on both sides of the lid. Make miniature cornflakes from fast-dry clay. Cover the box with glue and use the tweezers to attach the flakes to the cut and to the side of the pack. Such a stand in the form of a pack of cornflakes will cheer you up. Very unique! And now you need an empty matchbox again. Unroll one edge of the box and glue a piece of yellow foam rubber paper with a rounded edge to it. Attach a magnet. Attach the second magnet to the outer box and cover it with red foam paper. Cut the yellow foam paper into strips and glue them to the lid of the resulting backpack. Cut off the excess. Make straps to match the backpack and glue them. Put a notebook with a funny face inside. The backpack is almost like a real one. It opens, closes, and you can carry stuff in it. And now print out 2 Crayola labels. Bend them along the lines. Cut off the excess. Glue both parts together. Take crayons and cut them into mini circles. Wrap each piece in the paper of the matching color. Fold the edges so they look like candy. Fill the box with them. Candy for drawing? You haven't seen anything like this yet! Your friends will be so surprised! Did you like these mini office supplies? Are they cute enough to eat? Try them out, but don't eat them. Be sure to let us know in the comments which crafts have already appeared on your desk. And if you want more interesting ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to be the first to find out about our next video.